Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with listening for beginning sounds. I'm going to say two words. I want you to repeat the two words. If they begin with the same sound, you give a thumbs up, and if they do not, give a thumbs down. Neat neck. Pig, duck. Quick, quiet. Time, run. Sing, song. Team, go. Very, vase. Be, one. You, yo-yo. 0, zoo. Good job. All right, get your choppers ready. I'm going to chop onset and rhyme. You're going to repeat that, and then together we will say the word. Here we go. Op, hop, ox, box, og, log, ok, rock, fun, tub, tub, rug, rug, cut, duck, duck. Good job. Okay, now we're going to punch out ending sounds. So get your arm ready. I'll say the word, and then together we'll punch it out. Hop, hop. Boat, boat. Live, live. Be careful on some of those ending sounds. So when we're saying like live, live, not va, live. Ox, ox. Prize, prize. Club, club. Paid, paid. Rough, rough. Log, log. Budge, budge. Good. Okay, choppers again. I'm going to say the word. You'll repeat it, and then we'll chop the onset and rhyme. Hill, ill. Sick, ick. Dim, im. Zip, zip. Pick, ick. Make sure that after you say the word, you're trying to chop onset and rhyme at the same time that I'm doing it. So like we're doing it together. If you still are having a difficult time, you can do it afterwards, but I'd like you to try to do it at the same time as me. Dot, ot. Mop, op. Fox, ox. Rot, ot. Lock, lock. Good. All right, now we're going to do some phoneme substitution. So get your fists ready. We'll say a word, and then we'll change that beginning sound to make a new one. The word is bat. Change b to k. Cat. The word is cat. Change k to f, fat. The word is fat. Change f to h, hat. The word is hat. Change h to mat. The word is mat. Change to p, pat. Good job. All right, now we're going to use, we're going to start with the ending part, so the rhyme, and we're going to add an initial sound. The word is ig. Add b to the beginning. Big. The word is ig. Add d to the beginning. Dig. The word is ig. Add j to the beginning. Jig. The word is ig. Add p to the beginning. Pig. The word is ig. Add w to the beginning. Wig. Good. Now we're going to delete beginning sounds. So the word is rack. Without r, the word is ack. The word is pill. Without p, the word is ill. The word is dot. Without d, the word is ought. The word is cuff. Without k, the word is uff. The word is bess. Without b, the word is s. Good job. Don't forget to practice your poem today.